welcome to How to Browse Your YouTube channel. In this video I'm going to be showing you how to remove background sound in DaVinci Resolve. It's a pretty easy video, straightforward, kind of like guide for you I have, so it's not very hard. So let's jump right into the video without wasting any second. So what you have to do, just to go to import media, import your video, and here I have a video with background sound. So I'll drag this video in the timeline, and now I'll change to edit, and here I have this background sound, right? If I'm trying to delete this the background sound, like right click and then delete selected, it will delete the video as well. So we don't want that, right? So let me show you. Control Z so I can go back, and now if I only want to delete the video, the background sound, what I have to do is deselect this option here, a linked selection. So please click on this, and now you have the option to move the sound, only the sound of this video. And now if you right click, you can cut or delete selected or backspace, and now you remove the sound of this video, the background sound. And there's another way, and then you don't really have to remove the audio, you can also reduce the sound. So let's go back, and here, okay, there's another way. What you have to do is just to select the background sound, and then go to inspector, select inspector here, and where you see volume, just drag this down all the way down to -100. And now you're not gonna hear any background noise, any background sound. So you basically just mute the background sound. So that's another way to remove the background sound. So thank you guys for watching the tutorial. This is pretty easy, straightforward, kind of like guide or video. So thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials, and like this video if I helped you out. Thank you for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care.